Good morning, fellow traders. Paul here. Time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Friday, June the 4th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to read this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, guys. Well, I hope everybody had a great night last night. Happy Friday. So we're last day of the week here, and we're going to see how we close it. Monthly chart is red right here, so obviously weekly chart is red because we just started the month and just started the week here. So it's been a short week this week, but it's going to be really important how we close today, right? If they step up and close this thing red, that could be pretty nasty, right? We were looking at a couple different wave counts. Right now we're leaning bullish, right? So we'll see what they end up doing here today. Powell is actually talking as we speak about climate change or something like that here this morning. He's on some European conference call. So anyway, yesterday we closed with the doji right at the 80 MA off of that inside day, right? So the big thing that we're tracking here on this Elliott wave count is the potential for a 1-2, right? 1-2 basically. So we're really just kind of looking at this right here. It looks like we finished wave 1, ABC down. Now we're going to see if this is kind of like, if we pull back a little bit, it'd be okay, and then start to work our way up. But there is the chance that there's an alt count up here that basically the top is in. This is a wave 1 down. This is an ABC up, and we are just starting a massive wave 3 down too. So that's a possibility too. So not to worry anybody going into the weekend. But anyway, let's take a look at SPY here and see how it's behaving this morning. So we had a little bit of a down move, but they bounced it right when Powell started talking. He must have been like, I'm going on this conference call. Let me hit the buy button a little bit. So bounce off of the geometric line here this morning. We were pretty red this morning, but we're holding so far. So so good stuff there. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, same thing, right? Obviously. So, but we had a pretty wild, choppy night right here. The big, most important thing was breaking out of this channel here overnight. We've been kind of chopping. We got job numbers this morning, so we'll see how those go going into today. And now that we've got a bounce right here, we can put a fresh geometric line here on the MES, right, and see how that holds going into today. And there's a couple different levels that you can kind of consider, like here, but you got this right here too. So it's kind of this intersection here. Maybe after the market opens, if we could break out of there, that would be pretty good. Let's take a look at the Qs and see how they're behaving this morning. Again, held the geometric line here so far. IWM taking a little bit of a lead here from everybody else. Really choppy this morning. So that last pop kind of helped the small caps here going into today. XLF really choppy here this morning. I put in the bubble report. Whoever bought up there is having a rough morning. But anyway, choppy right here. Had some relative strength yesterday, so keep an eye on this one. As long as it holds a geometric line, that could be good. Otherwise, it could be working on the sideways head and shoulders and see if it breaks down there. And then, of course, we got the VIX, right? So the VIX showed that it was still alive yesterday, right? Mostly pre-market, right? Gave a couple little pops right there. But it showed, hey, I can still get up to 20 if I want to, right? And then it's like, okay, I'll let you guys every day, right? So just keep an eye on it, see how it goes, see how it handles today. If it starts to spike, right, obviously, look out. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple, again, just kind of flat here this morning going into today. Had a rough day yesterday. Tesla, again, as usual, liking to mess with anybody who's short overnight. So just kind of keep an eye on it, see how they open this morning. Got a little spike here this morning. Again, down yesterday on the poor China vehicle delivery news. It's like, oh yeah, Tesla's actually in the car business. I thought they were just in the stock and meme business or something, the Bitcoin business. So, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.